In addition to optimizing the menu items and the Joomla articles, the e-commerce component that we use, eShop, actually has its own optimization features within the products and the categories. So I'm going to walk through that briefly now. To access the e-commerce store, you simply go to components and eShop, and you'll be presented with this landing page. And the first thing you'll want to optimize are the categories. You'll see here we've got quite a few categories already created, and the first one, camping and outdoor. As you can see, you can actually change the page title. You can change the page heading, you can change the alt image for the image in the category, and also change the description and the canonical link. The meta keywords, of course, and the description you can change here as well. So that's at the category level. That's actually, very handy. You can do that with a lot of shopping carts you can't. So the only other thing that you would be wanting to optimize would be individual products. So let's go there. We have a product added. And you can see, again, you can change the page title, the page heading, the alt image, the canonical links. The short description and everything below that is for the product page. But if we go right to the bottom, I think it's on this page. Yeah, we've got meta keywords and meta description. So you can optimize that as well. Now, you can actually optimize this and then see how it goes, make some changes, tweak it, change it, and see if it helps. My suggestion would be that you just leave it as is. I have been told by an ex-Google staffer that my optimization of my shopping cart images is through the roof. Now, those were his words. I don't know why he mentioned that, but we were just talking about one of the websites that I had, and he said, "Yeah, whenever I search for so and so, all I see is your images." So that is a good enough reason for me to watermark every image that I put everywhere on the website for all the products. Because if somebody's searching in Google Images for a particular product that I sell, my branding is right there in front of them all the time. So just something to bear in mind. It's very simple, it's very easy, and it's just something you need to keep on top of, because as you add products, it's very easy to forget the optimization. And it's literally what, 4 fields, 3 fields there, and then 2 at the bottom. So 5 fields. So it's not difficult. Hope that helps. And if you've got any questions, please just drop them in the comments.